Welcome to another Goodnight video here at the NoCo Cat Cafe. I want to thank everyone that joined us this week and invite you to say goodnight to your favorite kitties in the chat. We're going to start with Prada. Goodnight, Prada. Over here we have Ziggy. Goodnight, Ziggy. You're a very playful boy today. Over here, we have E.T. Good night, E.T. Over here is E.T.'s girls. This one here is Keys. Good night, Keys. Precious girl. And then our wild child. This is Gertie. Good night, Gertie. Over here we have one of our Shire kitties, Sterling, although he's been making lots of progress recently. But this is where he likes to hang out. Good night, Sterling. A lot of black kitties back here. Good night to Wakabi, and happy birthday, Wakabi, Mr. 1-year-old. This is Sterling's sister. This is Aurora. Good night, Aurora. Here's Sterling's other sister, Bailey. Oh, good night, Bailey. She loves to talk. Here's Wakabi's brother, T'Challa. Good night, T'Challa, and happy birthday. Good night to the fishies. And then over here, we got two brothers. Good night to Reyes. And good night to his brother, Enzo. Good night, Enzo. Good night, Reyes. Sleepy boys. We want to thank everyone who joined us this week here at the NoCo Cat Cafe. We look forward to seeing everyone again next week. Good night.